Good morning everybody. I am Sau Avtara Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation of parametric functions, that is exercise 1.4 question number 3 and sub questions are 4, 5, 6. Let us see the examples one by one. Okay. First one is, that is in book it is number 4, x equal to a cos 50, y equal to a sin 50, then we have to show that dy upon dx equal to minus y upon x raised to 1 upon 3. Okay. These are parametric functions, so differentiate first with respect to t, then use theorem third. Okay. Differentiate x with respect to t, a is a constant, differentiation of cos cube is 3 cos square t and differentiation of this cos t is minus sin. Okay, this becomes minus 3a cos square t into sin t. Next, consider the function y, that is a sin cube t. A is a constant, differentiation of sin cube is 3 sin square t and differentiation of this sin is cos t. Okay, thus we get 3a sin square t into cos t. Next, use the theorem third, that is dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt whole divided by dx upon dt. Now put the values of dy upon dt, that is 3a sin square t into cos t divided by minus 3a cos square t into sin t. 3a 3a get cancels, 1 sin get cancels, 1 cos get cancels. We get minus sin t upon cos t. But we get this is dy upon dx. We have to prove that dy upon dx equal to this. Now consider the given equations, that is x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to a sin cube t. Now we can write this x upon a equal to cos t and y upon a equal to sin cube t. To remove this cube, taking power as 1 upon 3 on both sides, this becomes cos t, this becomes y upon a raised to 1 upon 3 equal to sin t. Okay. Now put this value in this equation. Let's take the equation first. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, we can write, what is the value of sin t? See here, sin t is y upon a raised to 1 upon 3 and cos t is x upon a raised to 1 upon 3. Here denominator get cancels. We get minus y upon x and we can write this 1 upon 3 is here. Thus we prove the result. Next, second question. Second question is x equal to 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 3 and y equal to 3 sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Then show that dy upon dx equal to minus square root of 3 upon 3y upon 2x. We have to prove this result. Consider the given equations. First, write down these given equations as x upon 2 equal to cos raised to 4 t plus 3. Write this also y upon 3 sin raised to 4, y upon 3 equal to sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Okay. We are going to simplify here, then it is easy to prove. Now taking 1 upon 2 as a power on both sides. See, 1 upon 2. This becomes cos square t plus 3. Here also y upon 3 raised to 1 upon 2. This becomes sin square t plus 3. Okay. Now we can write this as root x upon 2 equal to cos square t plus 3, root y upon 3 equal to sin square t plus 3. Equation second. Adding equation first and second, LHS plus LHS. Cos square t plus 3 plus sin square t plus 3. Here use cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Therefore, root x upon 2 root y upon 3 equal to 1. Next, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, we are going to differentiate this x. See, 1 upon root 2 is constant. Differentiation of root x is 2 root x plus 1 upon root 3 is constant. Differentiation of root y is 1 upon 2 root y into dy upon dx equal to 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Now we can write this 1 upon root 3 into 1 upon 2 root y dy upon dx equal to minus 1 divided by root 2 into 2 root x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, we can write minus 1 upon 2 root x into, these terms come to the numerator, root 3 into 2 root 1. Now here 2 get cancels, we get dy upon dx equal to, what remains here, minus root 3y divided by root 2 1 upon 2 root 2 into 2 root x root 2 into 2 root x. Here we get root 2 into x. Here 2 get cancels, not root 2 is going to get cancelled. So we can write under this same sign minus square root of 3y upon 2x. Okay. Next, consider the third example. The third example is x equal to log of 1 plus t square and y equal to t minus tan inverse t. Then we have to show that dy upon dx equal to square root of e raised to x minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So here differentiate with respect to x. This is log function, 1 upon the function into differentiation of this function is 2t. Therefore, dy upon dt equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Next, differentiate this dy upon dt equal to differentiation of t is 1 and differentiation of tan inverse t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. Therefore, dy upon dt equal to, we can write, make the denominators same here, means divide and multiply by here. Here divide and multiply with 1 plus t square. Now denominators becomes same. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancels. We get dy upon dt equal to t square divided by 1 plus t square. Now this is the differentiation, right here dx. This is dx upon dt. This is dy upon dt. Then use the theorem for dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. Okay. Now upon 1 plus t square and dx upon dt is 1 plus t square. So t square upon 1. Denominator get cancels. We get t upon 2. 1 t get cancels. We get t upon 2. But consider the given equation x equal to log of 1 plus t square. Therefore, we can write this as e raised to x equal to 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square equal to e raised to x. Therefore, t square equal to e raised to x minus 1. Therefore, t equal to square root of e raised to x minus 1. Next, put this value in this equation. We get dy upon dx equal to square root of e raised to x minus 1 divided by 2. Means here it is 2. Therefore, it becomes, this is the value of dy upon dx. This is the value of dy upon dx. Here, not put this value in this equation. We get this result. Thus, we prove the result. Okay, we will see the next example in the next video.